At this very moment, everything stopped. No goodbyes, no warnings, no trace. 8 billion people have vanished from the face of the Earth. The silence now enveloping the planet is the most terrifying in its history. Did you ever imagine that our great civilization, with its skyscrapers, internet, and armies, was hanging by such a thin thread? Today, that thread snapped. Let's witness together how the planet will recycle itself without us.
Just 2 hours in, the silent disasters begin. Planes on autopilot will run out of fuel and fall like stones from the sky. Cars will collide in the streets, sparking infernos with no one to extinguish them. By hour 5, the world's lights begin to flicker out. Fossil fuel power plants will shut down as there is no one left to feed them. The world plunges into a darkness it hasn't seen since the Middle Ages.
After 48 hours, coastal and low-lying cities begin to drown. The pumps keeping groundwater out of subway tunnels have failed. London and New York will see their streets turn into riverbeds. But the true tragedy lies with the animals. Millions of pets and livestock trapped in homes and farms will face their destiny. Nature will begin to enforce its ancient law, survival of the fittest and the wildest. 1 month later, the catastrophe we always feared strikes. The cooling water in nuclear reactors will evaporate. The result? Sequential nuclear meltdowns in over 400 locations worldwide. These aren't atomic bombs, but silent radioactive leaks that will kill remaining nearby life. Yet, surprisingly, nature will recover from this much faster than we think. After 1 year, the outlines of our roads will vanish. Cracks in the asphalt will become miniature forests. By year 25, most wooden and metal structures will collapse due to rust and erosion. Cities will literally become concrete jungles. In 100 years, most of our landmarks will be gone. The pyramids and the Great Wall of China might be the only things left to tell any visiting extraterrestrials that we were ever here. The strange truth is, the Earth will be just fine without us. It will become cleaner, quieter, and more vibrant. Our disappearance isn't the end of the world. It's the end of our world. Earth lived for millions of years before us, and it will thrive for millions more after us. We are not the masters of this planet. We are merely guests, and it seems we were very heavy guests indeed. If you were given the chance to be the last person remaining for 24 hours before vanishing, what would you do? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to join us on future journeys of Imagine If. See you in the next video.